What's going on, everyone? Michael here, and today I'm going to be talking about the quickest and easiest way that you can start earning $1,000 a day online. Now, if you've never made money online before, don't worry, you're in the right place. I'm going to be showing you step by step of how you can get started, and I'm also going to be giving you a bunch of free stuff like access to the digital playbook right here, where this is a free checklist that shows you how to get started, step-by-step tutorials. You're also going to get all the different prompts I use for my short form content. You're also going to get a list of 130 plus AI tools that you're able to get paid to promote. Also, already made short form, done for you videos that you can go ahead and just post on your different social media platforms. You're also going to get access to our free group right here. This is called the Digital Playbook, where we host weekly calls once a week. Also, members only videos where I kind of talk about some stuff that I can't put on YouTube. And also, you're able to direct message me with any questions you have. Also, working on some different make.com scenarios that I'm going to be putting the blueprints in here as well. So, all of this stuff you get completely for free. Go ahead and before we dive in, just go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment down below that lets me know you're taking action, and let's go ahead and jump right in. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go ahead and go to HighLevel.com and sign up for this software. There's other softwares that I know people in the group use. They use HubSpot, Systems.io, but I use HighLevel just because I've been using it for a couple of years and I have all the systems and everything built out already. So once you sign up, you're going to get taken to a screen that looks like this. This is going to be your, your main dashboard. HighLevel calls it a sub account. But the three areas that I want to be covering today are going to be over here on the left. This is going to be sites. We have automations and marketing. So marketing, that's where your social planner is going to be. That's where you're going to be able to schedule out your content for weeks, months in advance. Automations, that's where we can build out different sequences for when you're starting to build out your email list. And then sites over here, that's where you can build out your funnel and build out your different automations. So before we go ahead and talk about this, I just want to quickly go over something as like an acronym that one of my mentors told me, and it's ACEs. So what ACEs is just a short acronym that means attention, conversation, educate, and sales. So you're on this channel because you want to learn how to make money online with AI. And no matter what is, you need attention. You need attention on, at least in our case, the tool, the product, the service. You need attention. Or I talk about traffic, same thing. Once you have the attention, you need to have a conversation. Let's say a conversation would be just like a back and forth, maybe like a phone call, an email. An email is a good way to conversate with someone because you're initially taking that attention from social media, everything, and you're bringing it down into their email inbox, which is more one-to-one. That counts as conversation. Let's keep on the email list. So educate. By sending them emails every so often, you're educating them on whatever they opted in for. To want to learn more about real estate, to want to learn about AI. You're educating them, and then whenever they're ready, that's when the sale happens. So a lot of the people that join the group, they have the misconception that they can just start posting content and making money with their first video. Definitely possible. Definitely possible. I like to say, or I do say, but I've heard someone say that like posting, like social media is like the lottery because you never know if something's going to hit. But we got to be very strategic, and you need to start posting content so you can start building that attention. So how are we going to build attention? We're going to be posting content. But more specifically is we're going to be driving traffic or attention to different links up here. Now, the top 10 right here are the links that I'm using, and pretty much, or everything on here is an affiliate or has an affiliate program. And how you sign up to become an affiliate, let's just go back to the HighLevel example, is pretty much all of these softwares. If you scroll down to the bottom, they'll have a little area that says affiliate program. All you would need to do, hit become affiliate, sign up, and then you would get a little link that looks like this. And this is the link that we're going to be driving traffic to. Just a link like this. Super simple. And when someone signs up, you get a commission. So go HighLevel, Blotato. Blotato is a really, really good tool. This is how I've been recently creating all my content as far as my short form. But let's go ahead and go through the process. First thing, we got Go HighLevel. And I might be jumping all over the place, but if I get questions all the time, I don't know where to start. Start going through the checklist. I literally give you how to start. All these tutorials are time stamped, and we can get you guys moving forward. So more importantly than ever, I'm going way off topic on this video. If you don't do anything, just post every day. Send 50 DMs, engage with 100 people, 50 DMs, one Facebook post, 7 days in a row, generate one image. If you're just doing content and building attention, good things are going to happen. So let's just go back to here and let's go ahead and talk about sites or funnels. So a funnel is basically an opt-in page, or not basically, it is an opt-in page where we're going to be sending the traffic that we get from the short form videos that we're creating. So you're going to be, let me just show Instagram. So all these, okay, Mike. So all these, pretty much my strategy is just everything is boom, respond, let's comment. I don't get too much engagement on, well, I have a bunch of different profiles, but I just wanted to show you. So all we're doing is we're making a call to action in everything. Now, obviously this strategy that I'm using is not optimized and I'm just spamming, but it's just because I'm wanting to make sure I get content out on all my different platforms. So I give examples, and if you've been following me, you know all this stuff. But from what happens is, let's say they comment AI. Someone comments AI, then we would DM them our link. Not the affiliate link, but we would DM them our domain link. So for this case, mine is Digital Playbook. If you need a domain, you can actually purchase one from Go HighLevel. It could be something like AIchecklist.com or videoswithai.com. Just anything. It could be whatever. It doesn't even have to be the AI niche. But once they would click on that, they get sent to this page right here. So change that to be AIclone.com. Boom. My lead magnet is the checklist because I give that away for free. They would put in their first name, email, and then they would get sent the email and they would get sent into the email automation. So that is what we're going to talk about next. After they put in their information, they will get taken to an email sequence. Now, if you want all of this stuff that I have inside of Go HighLevel, it's obviously going to be inside my snapshot, but I'm about to take this away because no one seems to use it, or no one seems to care to use all this stuff, because I can see how many people are clicking it, and it's definitely not a lot compared to the people that keep on asking me questions. So I love the questions. No question is a bad question, but it always refers back to just taking action and putting content out there. Sorry, I'm passionate about this. Where was I? So get the snapshot. You can I'm just show you. Click on get snapshot. You're going to hit yes, import it, and it's going to import it into your account. It doesn't even take that long to load. And then what you have is you'll have all this, all the different sites, everything. And let's just go back here. The one that I give you guys, I have in a right here. And why this is one of the ones you'll get, but this isn't the one that I want to show. One of the ones that this one that I'm about to show, the new email opt-in, I want you guys to start with this one first because I have it set up with custom values. What that means is that is really close. So if you can see in all these emails, There are hyperlinks. Boom, we have one here. All these would be links to your affiliate. And notice right here it says custom values. This means that once I show you in the settings portion, all you have to do is you put your affiliate link in one place, and then it automatically populates everywhere where it has this highlighted link. So how you would go ahead and do that is we're going to go back to settings. Let's go to custom values, and what you would need to do is just create a new one. I'll show you. I always like affiliate link. This is where you would put your affiliate link, and then you can select a folder. I'm not going to do that. An affiliate link. I'm not going to do that. I already did that, but it would look like this. Oh, I spelled that wrong. Spelled it wrong again. Jeez. Boom. Affiliate link right there, and you are all set. All right. So we have the affiliate link, or we have the email automation, and we have the funnel set up. Now we need to talk about the social media planner. So I'm not even going to really explain this because it's self-explanatory. You'll connect your social media accounts, and then you have a whole calendar that you're able to schedule out your content. So my schedule is once a month, I'll schedule out content for the whole month. So here probably pretty soon, this is perfect. Next weekend, I'm going to spend all weekend just creating content and scheduling it out. The funny thing is I already have a lot of content already scheduled out for February. But scheduling out content doesn't mean anything if we don't have the content created. And that is where we're going to be going to and talking about Blotato. So I came across this tool a couple weeks ago, and I love it. All of February, this is what my content is going to be made out of. So let's just go ahead and go to AI tools. You can click here to get access to it. You can try it for free. I'm on the $30 a month plan, but look how I'm about to just show you guys, but this is crazy. If you go back and watch some of my older videos, I always talk about how you're going to have to put videos together. Then you have to go to CapCut, add captions. You can do everything in here. Everything can be done in here. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Exit out of here. We're going to exit out of this. All right. Camera died. Back up. For some reason it's super dark, but let's go ahead and continue with the video. So the tool that I use, Blotato, I don't know what part we're going to get to, but let's generate a script. A farmer with... Okay, I think I remember where we're at. Let's just go with educational. 30 seconds is fine, and generate script. So my Wi-Fi wasn't working. Alrighty. Let's go with comic book. No, I don't know what I want to do. There's so many choices. We'll go with let's go with the realistic. Let's see how realistic that is. We'll go with fable for the voice. Enable captions. We're going to leave that. Bottom, draft video. So now what this is doing is it's going to create different shots, and then it's going to create probably it says it right there, actually 6 different shots. I literally have a ring light in front of me and it's dark. Something's wrong with the camera. Alrighty. Another really good thing I love about Blotato is it does the image prompting for you. You can pause this and read how detailed that is. It is really detailed. Best. It is realistic. I'm going to keep it. But if you would go with cheaper, it obviously wouldn't look as good. Costs a little bit more credits, but generating down here says 7 seconds left. Once it's 7 seconds, I'll download the video and we can see what the end looks like. The end result looks like. We'll go ahead and export. Let's say I wanted to change something up. I would just go here. I don't like this picture. New draft, but it looks really good with AI. It is done and loaded, and let's have a little listen.
Have you ever wondered what life is like on a farm? Picture this, a farmer waking up to the sound of clucking chickens and mooing cows. Each day is an adventure. from feeding the animals to gathering fresh eggs. These creatures aren't just livestock, they're loyal companions. So next time you enjoy farm fresh food, remember the stories behind it. Support local farms and connect with your food.
So, for generating this in 3-4 minutes, great quality, as a matter of fact. So, let's download this. I'm not going to download it just because I everything I work off of is in here as far as the latest videos. So, but in your guys' case, if you're going through the checklist, download it and post it on your social media. So you would download it. We're going to go back over to, yeah, I lost internet connection. We're going to go back over here to the social planner and we're going to schedule it out. Schedule 3 or 4 different videos out a week, a day, doesn't matter. But you guys know how to schedule something out. If you have questions, just DM me. I will be more than happy to help you. Join the digital playbook. And because of how many people that aren't taking action, I think I'm going to change this to a paid community because what I've realized is that even though there's a lot of people in here, if I would just charge, I don't know, $10 a month, that I would get some more committed people in here. So I think I'm going to do that once we get to 800 members. So go ahead and get in here. Get everything for free. One person's taking action. I love that. And I will see you in the next one, AI Pros. That is it for this. I messed up. Redo it. And that is it for this one, AI Pros. I will see you in the next one.